Bonjour, welcome to French Diaries. In this video, we are going to discuss Passé Composé, which means past tense in French. Past tense in French. This is the first part of our video. In total, we have 4 parts. But in this video, we are going to discuss the basic structure of Passé Composé. So first of all, what is Passé Composé? Is there any equivalent tense in English? So the answer is yes. First of all, Passé Composé is the tense which we are using for the completed action in the past. In English, we are using 4 tenses or 4 different tenses, but in French, we have different construction, which we are going to discuss in this video. So the basic structure of Passé Composé is subject plus avoir verb, but note avoir in present only. Avoir in present plus past participle or past form and object if there is any. So the formula is subject plus avoir, present, past participle and object. So there are basic 3 types of verbs which are ER, IR and RE. So for the regular one, how to make past participle? For example, parler, ER verb. Replace ER with E and accent. Accent aigu. For example, j'ai parlé avec mon ami. See. ER we have replaced with E accent, which becomes the past form of parler. As per our formula, subject plus avoir verb, past participle and object. J'ai parlé avec mon ami. I spoke to with my friend. Second type, IR verb. For example, finir. Replace IR with I. So, elle a fini son travail. IR to be replaced with I. Elle a fini son travail. She finished her work. Avoir verb. Third type, RE. For example, vendre. Remove RE and add U. For example, il a vendu sa voiture. He sold his car. RE to be replaced with U. Il a vendu sa voiture. He sold his car. Here I have mentioned something. GWE, gender wise ending. What is gender wise ending? Verb, this auxiliary verb should agree with subject only. So according to the subject, we should use this auxiliary verb. For example, here. So what are the avoir verb? AI, AS, A, nous avons, vous avez, j'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Right? They should agree with the subject. They should agree with the subject. But the past participle will not agree with the subject. So past participle remain same for all the sentences in basic sentence only, or in the basic part which we are going to discuss. Right? Now coming to the examples. So this past participle or these Passé Composé will be clear with these examples. First one, and I have included regular verbs as well as irregular verbs for your convenience. First of all, j'ai mangé une pomme. This is regular verb. Er we have replaced with e. J'ai mangé une pomme. I ate an apple. I ate an apple. Normal er verb. We have replaced er with e accent. Next, il n'a pas pris le train. Negative. Il n'a pas pris. This is irregular verb. Prendre, to take. He did not take the train. Il n'a pas pris le train. For irregular verbs, we need to memorize. There is no such formula for it. Right? Like this. Prendre, pris. We need to memorize. Il n'a pas pris le train. He did not take the train. Next, nous avons mis la table. We set the table. Me. Mettre. Mettre. This is also irregular verb. We set the table. Nous avons mis la table. Ils ont bu du café. Bu. Boire. This is also irregular verb. They drank some coffee. Ils ont bu du café. Ils ont bu du café. And as I said, subject should agree with auxiliary verb here. Correct? But past participle will remain same for all the subject, irrespective of gender, noun, numbers. Right? Next example. This is interrogative. As-tu dit la vérité? Vérité, truth. Did you tell the truth? As-tu dit la vérité? Dire. This is also one of the irregular verbs. As-tu dit la vérité? Next one. Nous avons fait nos devoirs. Devoir is homework. Fait is again irregular verb of faire. Have you done? Oh, sorry. Nous avons. We did our homework. Nous avons fait nos devoirs. We did our homework. Next, elles ont trouvé les clés dans la cuisine. They, feminine they found the keys in the kitchen. Elles ont trouvé les clés dans la cuisine. They found the keys in the kitchen. Next, this is regular verb. Er to be replaced with e accent. Ils ont regardé un film hier soir. They saw a film yesterday evening. Regarder. This is also a regular verb. Er we have replaced with e accent. Ils ont regardé un film hier soir. They watched a film yesterday evening. Next, nous avons visité Paris l'été dernier. We have visited Paris last summer. Nous avons visité Paris l'été dernier. Visiter. This is also regular verb here. Correct? Nous avons visité Paris l'été dernier. We have visited Paris last summer. I hope Passe Composé first part is clear. This is the basic structure of Passe Composé. In case you have any queries, questions, you can always ask in the comment box. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share French Diaries. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.